school right there. So we're in a really nice, safe neighborhood. And then you come down the driveway. That's a cottage. Has its own space. That would probably work really well for Rick and I, because then we could do some of our sessions with couples in there. This is the mansion with 5 rooms upstairs, and for 5 couples. That little tower actually has a hot tub at the top, a whirlpool tub at the top. Most of the rooms, 4 of the rooms have whirlpool tubs. There is 1 bedroom downstairs. Got this nice area here. There's a gazebo. There's Rick. Some places to sit around. Beautiful location for a retreat.